Yes, sir.
So where is the 0? Last column, first row. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So you can make their square, draw vertical line. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then you go to the second row. How many zeros are there?
10 is there.
10. You can make that square, draw vertical lines. Okay. Then third row, is there any 0?
Yes, sir.
So which column 0 is there?
Fourth.
Fourth. Make their square, draw vertical lines. You come to our fourth row. Where is the 0?
In second column.
Make that square, draw vertical lines. Then come to last row. How many zeros are there?
1.
1 zeros are there. So you can make that square and draw vertical lines. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now how many squares up till now you have got?
5.
5. 5 rows and 5 column. 5 row, 5 column, 5 squares are there. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now this is optimum solutions, but you can see this when A will travels, then he will go to E. So as per our these tables, A will travels from A city, the salesman travels, he will go to E. Is it correct? Then again E will go to A. Am I correct? See
Yes,
your
sir.
this table. Yes. Means our optimum solution is there, but salesman is repeating between A and E. Up to here it is clear? See that a salesman from A city will go to E, and after E again he will come to A. That means that salesman is moving in between A and E. Remaining B, C, D, that will remain as it is. That means optimum solution is there, but salesman is repeating. That's why we have to proceed for next um, next tables. Correct. So next tables, you have to rewrite the same table and you have to tell me the elements. Okay. Have you written? Have you written or not?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Okay. Now, first arrow, you tell me the element. First element is infinity. Then next element, a arrow. After infinity, what is the value there?
1,
After that,
3,
3. After that,
6,
after that,
0.
okay. Means this row is correct. Then you have to go for second row. What is the first value?
4,
4. Okay. Then next,
infinity.
after this,
0,
0. After this,
6,
after this,
0.
okay. Then you go to next C element. 4. Shall I read? 4, 3, infinity, 0, 3. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
4, 3, infinity. Okay. Then go to D. What is first element? 8 is there.
Yes, sir.
After this,
0, 1, infinity, 1.
okay. Then last,
0, 2, 0, 7, infinity.
okay. Now here onwards, what you have to do? First row scanning. Listen here. First row scanning. 0, it is there in the last column, first row. Correct. So instead of 0, next highest value you have to take. Instead of 0, you have to take next highest value. What is the next highest value in the same row?
1,
Okay, you can make their square 1 and draw. This is next I draw vertical lines. Okay, you come to next row. Is there any 0?
2 zeros are there.
2 zeros. Neglect that one. You come to third row. Is there any 0?
Yes, sir.
Where is the 0?
Fourth column.
Column. Okay. There is a 0 in fourth column. You make that square and draw vertical lines. Then come to
Sir,
D.
second row contain 1
D
0
row.
at third column position.
Huh?
Second row contain 1 0 at third
Content
1 0 at third column position.
third column position. There is 0, no? So here's what we have done.
Sir, we have not taken that 0.
Now first again. Once again we'll repeat because I am not getting what you are telling. First row. You neglect that last 0 and mark there 1 is the next highest value. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then come to next row. Next row, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir, yes.
Then you have to skip this row. Then you come to third row, C row. Is there any 0?
Yes, sir.
So only 1 0 is there. Then you can make square and draw vertical line. Okay. Now come to D row. Is there any zero?
No, sir.
No zero is there. But instead of zero, there is a 2 times ones are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So out of 2 1, correct? Out of 2 1, you have to consider only one. But while going for row scanning, you don't consider, because 2 0 2 1, if it is there, you can neglect that. Then you come to last E. Is there any zero? 2 zeros are there. Means this also we can neglect. Correct? Then you have to go for column scanning. First column, is there any zero?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Make that square
Yes, sir.
and draw horizontal line. Okay. Now come to next column. Only one square is there in the top column, no? Is it correct? So,
Yes, sir.
okay, from that square, only one assignment we have done only. So you already drawn one vertical lines. Am I correct or not?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
drawn vertical? Okay. Now you come to column number 3. Is there any zero?
Yes, sir.
How many zeros are there?
Yes.
2.
1.
2 zeros are there. But already one square is there, no? Have you made the square first row? 2 zeros are there, no? Hello?
Sir, in third column there is only 1 0.
1 0. You can make square, no? And draw horizontal line. Then come to fourth. Is there any zero?
No, sir. It is already cut line.
Already cut. And last one, 1 is there. Last column 1 is there, no?
Yes, sir.
So you can make square for that one. So you can count how many squares are there.
Sir, in last column there is 0 also.
Now already cut that 0, no? 2 zeros are there, that is already cut. Only 1 is there. 1 is there. For that 1 you have to make square.
No, sir.
Why?
1
Zero
0
is remaining in fifth column. Zero राहिला एक म्हणा.
Huh? Hello?
ई column मध्ये zero राहिला आणि
Ah. 0 is there, no? Is it correct? So what you have to do? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
So that 1 already in our first row, we have taken 1 by replacing 1 0, no? So similarly, you can take that 1 as a square there and draw vertical lines. Now it is all 0 already cut or not? Just like first row, what we have done, we have neglected that 0 and we have taken next highest value 1. Similarly, we have to take next highest value 1 and neglect all that 0, means we have to cut all that 0 in that same column. Okay. So now you can count how many squares are there.
5.
5. Okay. Now see that A to B square is there. Now my answer is this. A to B square is there. After that, B will go to C. Then C will go to D. Then D will go to E. And E will go to A. So similar value you can get from the tables. So first value, that is the 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. Total answer is 15. Now you can check this. Otherwise, yesterday in what way I have given this my solutions, that solution also I will give to you. Okay, you can resolve this. So last table once again I will explain here. So whenever the condition is like this way, A to E, E to A, under that conditions, first row other than 0, you have to select the highest value, and after that you can proceed as usual, so that you will get square in each columns and each row, and total zeros will get neglected, and last answer you will find like this way: A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to once again back to A. So like this solutions with me. Okay. So any doubt is there, sir, from your side? I will give this page, scan page to you on group. You can see my solution in what way I have solved. Hello. Okay. So I will give this scan copy of this my solve problems on your group. Then you have to see once in what way you have done. And tomorrow again we'll discuss on the same problems and then we'll proceed. Okay. So we'll stop here. Thank you once again to all of you.